Hi everyone, it's Marisa Williams with Southern Technical College. Today we're going to talk about the FOIL method. Oh, I know people love to hate this, but it's not as bad as it looks as long as you do those steps. You don't have to go in the order of the FOIL, it's just a way to help you remember. So FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. And what that means is we're going to multiply in order. So when we say first, I'm going to take this first one times this first one. That gives us x squared, right? Now, outer. This is outside, that's outside. So I'm going to take this one times this one. That's how we get 2x. And inner, this times this, 3 times x, gives us 3x. And finally last, the last in each of them, the 3 and the 2. That's how we get that 6x, all right? So I know it's kind of messy with the moving of the arrows there, but what we find is we got a 3x and a 2x, and we got to combine those, and 5 is what we get when we say 3 plus 2. So our final answer is going to be x squared plus 5x plus 6. Now, there can be numbers in front of the x as well. That's not that scary. It's okay. We can handle it the exact same way. So we're going to say first, we're going to take 3x times 2x. That gives us 6x squared. Next, we're going to say 3x times the 3. That gives us 9x. 2x times a 2 gives us 4x. And 2 times 3 gives us 6. Now again, we got a collecting of mine. We got a 9x and a 4x there. So our final answer is going to be 9 plus 4 gives us 13x, right? So 6x squared plus 13x plus 6 is how we get the final answer from that one. So same exact steps on that FOIL method, even if there's a number in front of the x. It's okay. And this is where it gets a little confusing for people. It looks easy because you're like, well, there's a 5 and a 5. I know what that is, right? But let's see what happens when we do this. X times x, still x squared. X times a negative 5 gives us negative 5x. X times that positive 5 gives us positive 5x and minus 25 because we got a positive 5 times a negative 5. Now, what happens when we combine a positive 5x and a negative 5x? They cancel each other out, and we are simply left with x squared minus 25. So yeah, that middle number goes away sometimes, huh? All right, one more example. Let's look, and we have a positive and a negative. What happens here? Same method. X times the x gives us x squared. X times negative 3 gives us negative 3x. 6 times x gives us 6x. And negative 3 times 6 gives us negative 18. Now we still got a positive and negative number. We got to combine them, right? Negative 3 and a positive 6 gives us a positive 3x. So our final answer, x squared plus 3x minus 18. That's how we got it from that. All right, so that's how we do the FOIL method, and be sure to watch the video of how we can go reverse from that process on the reverse FOIL method video. Thanks for joining us, y'all, and have a great one.